Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty and travel essentials. Today, we're diving into something a little different, but still super practical for your next adventure, the Cons Travel Soap Bag. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just on a weekend getaway, this bag promises to keep your essentials organized and dry. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. This multifunctional bag is designed primarily to hold soap, but its versatility doesn't stop there. It's made from high-quality, durable, waterproof materials, ensuring that your soap stays protected no matter what kind of weather you're dealing with. You can also store other small items, such as lipstick, keys, face brushes, hair ties, and even small shower accessories. It's essentially a tiny organizer for all the little essentials you need on the go. One of the standout features is its wet and dry separation capability. The bag has a waterproof exterior and leak-proof lining that offers double protection. If you're carrying wet items like soap or underwear, this bag ensures they won't make a mess in your bag. Plus, it comes with a built-in foam net that helps create a rich lather, enhancing your shower experience. For added convenience, the set also includes a carabiner, so you can hang it from your travel bag, shower hook, or anywhere you need it. When it comes to real-world use, I found this bag to be incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. It's lightweight, weighing only 19 grams, which means it won't add any unnecessary bulk to your pack. The compact size is perfect for weekend trips or longer excursions. However, it's not just about the size, it's about how well it performs in the real world. I used it to store both soap and a few other small toiletries, and I was impressed by how well the wet-dry separation worked. I didn't have any leaks, even after placing it in my wet bag. But let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the waterproof and leak-proof features are top-notch, ensuring that your toiletries remain clean and dry. The inclusion of the foam net is a nice bonus, creating that bubbly experience when you're showering. The carabiner for easy hanging is also a practical touch. However, the bag's capacity is relatively small. If you're someone who packs a lot of toiletries, it might not be big enough to carry everything you need. It's more suited for essentials, so you may need additional bags for other items. As for value, it's fair. The price is in line with other travel organizers, and the durability of the materials makes it a solid investment for frequent travelers or campers. The versatility in terms of storage options is a bonus, especially when it comes to separating wet and dry items. While it's not the largest bag out there, it certainly packs a punch in terms of utility and function. If you're comparing this to similar products on the market, there are a few other travel soap bags, but the wet and dry separation and foam net set this one apart. Some bags don't provide that level of protection for your wet items, and the built-in foam net is a unique addition that enhances usability. It's a little more specialized compared to your typical toiletry bag, making it a great option for those who prioritize organization and efficiency. In terms of build quality, the bag feels sturdy, and the materials used appear durable enough to withstand multiple trips. It's also easy to clean, which is a must for any travel accessory. I don't foresee any major issues with longevity unless you're rough on your gear. I didn't have the chance to interact with the brand's customer support, but based on the product's design and the brand's reputation for travel gear, I'd expect solid support if needed. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are similar waterproof soap pouches, but many lack the added features like the foam net and wet-dry separation. If you don't mind the smaller size, this is a strong contender in its category. To sum it all up, the Cons Travel Soap Bag is a highly functional, compact, and practical option for anyone who needs a travel-friendly way to keep toiletries organized and dry. It's lightweight, well-designed, and performs well in real-world conditions. It might not be ideal for those who need to carry a ton of toiletries, but for those focused on simplicity and organization, it's a great choice. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a review from us here at Beautyistic. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Cons Travel Soap Bag, drop them in the comments below. And if you already own it, I'd love to hear how it's been working for you. Until next time, Stay organized and travel smart with Beautyistic.